babes, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a fantastic and beautiful day. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe below, share me with everyone you know. I will truly appreciate it. I'm super duper excited. Today the struggle's been real. I worked all day, and then my youngest, who's 4, had his first soccer practice, and then within 5 minutes after that's done, I have to rush across town and take my other son to Cub Scouts. So it's a little late right now and I'm a little worn out, but I saw this on my doorstep and I just couldn't wait. So this is BoxyCharm, which I believe it is the BoxyLuxe for September, which is super duper exciting. Now, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. However, BoxyLuxe is an upgrade from the normal monthly subscription box. It happens quarterly, so every 3 months you're able to get a whole new upgrade with lots of more goodies that are supposed to range for more and more value. So totally worth it. I'll put all the information in the description box below for you, just in case you want to check it out. Definitely use my link. I would greatly appreciate it. But up to you. So let's go and get this party started. Keys for BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm. And I'm singing it again. I'm singing again. Okay. Ooh, I don't know what's in there, but I'm excited. So here's my box. It's a pretty massive box, as you can tell. It's bigger than my face. But there's all my products inside. And it looks like this month's is called All Access. It looks like I got the 17L variation. I actually don't keep track with what's in what variation because I really like to be surprised. I know for BoxyLuxe, we were able to customize a few products, which I just think is amazing. I feel that when customization's involved, you're able to not only get something you're really wanting, but you're also able to get those surprises that really are like, this is a darn good box. Darn good box. Okay, so, and on the back has all the prices and the information. So, not wearing my glasses, but hopefully today isn't as hard as last time. So the first thing on top is from IGK. It's a Mistress. Ooh. Scandalous. Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. Get out from under the table. Those are my children. Anyway, this is why I said I need a she shed. Somewhere where I can just escape and just have my own little me time. Anyway, so Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. And that's a pretty massive size. It looks like it's vegan, cruelty, and gluten-free UV protection, petroleum and mineral oil free, parabens and sulfate free as well. It's a leave-in conditioning balm that won't wear your hair down. And it looks like on our handy dandy thing that IGK Mistress Hydrating Balm was $29. Awesome. Off to a good start. I definitely like hair products, especially since I've been growing out my hair. So every time there's a hair product in a box, I get very excited because that's one less thing I have to buy and go to the store for. Okay. Ooh, you can smell this. It's Spongelle. For anyone who hasn't used Spongelle before, I really recommend. This one looks like it is in the smell Salted Rose, and it's a mani-pedi treatment set. I believe this was one of the things that I was able to customize. I have tried, so Spongelle, basically I'm going to show you what it is. But it's like a sponge, like a loofah sponge, but it has like a month's worth of soap within it, so you don't have to use like your bar of soap. Now this one is actually supposed to be used on your feet. So you would just wet this, use it in the shower, and it still lasts for that long. It looks like there were 2 of them, kind of yingy yangy. That's cute. And they smell amazing. I've tried their pear one before and their lavender one, and I absolutely loved it. The Spongelle was Spongelle Mani Pedi Treatment Set was $18. It looks like it's the perfect treatment for your dry hands and tired feet. Infused with skin softening formula and soothing extracts of peppermint and sea kelp. These buffers are your solution to silky polished hands and feet. Fancy. I'm really excited. I've always used their body scrubbers or sponges. I've never used like a hand or foot one, so I'm really excited because I hate my feet. My feet need some serious attention. The next item, this was also something I was able to customize. I decided to get a water bottle because I'm really trying to drink more water, and I thought if I got it in a box and I chose it to be my box, I will drink more water. This is from the Clean Skin Club. It's a fruit infuser water bottle and it's 1 liter. And let's go ahead and take it out. Okay, so that's massive. That's a lot of water. Maybe I'll fill it up with tea, which kind of defeats the purpose. No, it's for water and it looks so cute. This will be perfect on my work desk. And this was $17.95. It says pack your water bottle with your choice of nutritious, healthy fruits and vegetables. I don't know why anyone would find vegetables in their water, but good for you. At least you're drinking water. Oh, and it's a large 32-ounce size, enables you to infuse more water. So 32 ounces equal a liter. There's some math for you. So very excited to try. I will definitely be using that tomorrow morning, so I'm putting it next to my purse. Some more items left. See, so you get a whole bunch in your box, which is completely worth it. I feel like if you're not wanting to splurge on the month-to-month subscription, but you're wanting just something a little extra for you, I feel like this is the perfect choice. You're able to upgrade the normal subscription to the BoxyLuxe, and it's probably my favorite box that I get. So I'm always excited. So I definitely have high expectations when I receive this box. So the next one is from Dr. Brandt, which I absolutely love this brand. It's their Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. It deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. I love Dr. Brandt products. I tend to have a little bit of blemishes, especially as I get older. I don't know what it is. It's like never had acne, never had blemishes, and then all of a sudden, you know, babies pop out and you got stuff on your face. So I definitely love their product. It smells very good, very clean, very fresh, comes on really smooth. I'm definitely excited to use this on my face, and I feel like Dr. Brandt products really help clear up my skin and make it feel smooth and just smooths everything out. So the Dr. Brandt Biotic Sleeping Mask was $52. Holy crap. That's a lot of money. So $52. So I will be using this very sparingly so that it lasts a really long time because it's as big as my hand. Okay, so the next item is from Sutra, and it looks like it's a clipless curling iron. Let's take a look. It looks like this isn't, oh yes, I was like, it's not on my list. This clipless curling iron is a perfect tool for your beach waves, glam curls, and soft or tight curls, even ringlets. And it's $65. So $65 for this just one item is like way more expensive, like $20 more than what this box is. So when I'm talking about the value of a box, you're definitely getting the value out of this box. So it comes in this little velvety pouch, which is cute. I'll probably lose the pouch, but it's cute. Yep, and it just looks, there it is. I I actually have one. I actually bought one for myself and I used it once, and maybe I'm doing it wrong, but like my arm gets tired, it starts to cramp, and then I always touch my hand and I burn myself, and by the time I do one side of my hair, I'm just like put up in a ponytail because I don't have time to do the other. So if you guys have any tips, definitely put it down below, but I might actually save this and do a little giveaway because this should go home to someone who will definitely be using it. So I won't exactly be using it, which is a little disappointing, but I'm happy that it will bring someone some joy at some time. So yes, I think I'll do a giveaway. So I don't know how I'll do it yet, but I'll figure it out and I'll start putting stuff aside and do a fun giveaway. Woo, I'm excited. Giveaway. Okay, so the next item is from Sunday Riley, which is an expensive brand, I believe. It's Tidal. This was something I was also able to customize. It was either between a vitamin C serum, which I had just gotten one, and this one. And I love moisturizers and creams and serums and things for my face. So I was really running out of cream and I really wanted to try it. So this one, Total Brightening Enzyme Water Cream, is an advanced brightening and refining treatment fused into next generation water cream. It delivers an intense water drench with 2 forms of hyaluronic acid and tamarind extract, so your skin looks youthful, hydrated, and plumped. That was difficult. This was $65. I mean, this and the hair thing, we're way up there. It's blue, which I guess it would be blue because, you know, tidal wave, you know, water. It doesn't really have a smell. I mean, with all that stuff in it, I would assume it would have a scent, which is probably a good thing because I feel like a lot of times those scents, you know, are a little overpowering. So if it's on your face, you don't want it to be too overpowering. So, ooh, it just keeps going. It's like it comes on as a cream and it just turns it into hydrating water. I actually really like that, and it, like, feeling this one, and it's really, really soft. So I'm very excited to try this. I'm definitely glad I chose this, and I'll be using that tonight. Only a couple of things left. It looks like I got bubble wrap and more bubble wrap. Ooh, it looks like a palette, an eyeshadow palette from Tarte. It's the High Performance Naturals Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. Definitely need some face shaping. And it's pretty massive. It looks like this is 12 Amazonian clay powered shades that play with light and shadow. Creamy microfine powder that's infused with Amazonian clay, and it retails for $45. There's even a little pamphlet for people like me who don't always know what to do with their eyeshadow, which is cute. I'm gonna open it up. So, like it said, woo, you could see my whole setup there. Nothing special. It's definitely cute. I probably won't end up using it just because I feel like I'm kind of over all the eyeshadows. Now, don't get me wrong. I love an eyeshadow palette, but I feel like I get 1 or 2 in every single box, and they just, you know, they just sit there. So this will actually be also a giveaway. So if you want to, just let me know and we'll do something special. But a little disappointed with it. I mean, I know if you want the box mostly just for eyeshadow or beauty products, you would probably be really excited about this, but me personally, it's meh. That's so not exciting. I feel so bad now. Okay, so it looks like I'm down to 2 items. The first one is from Hank and Henry, and it's Blickity Black Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. And it looks like this is $20. Holy moly, is that how much eyeliner costs? It says, introducing our latest addition to the Slick With It line of eye products. It's vegan liquid formula and dries down to a satin matte finish. Cool. All right, so there's that. And then, yes, Stila. Okay, this is from Stila. I love Stila. They're a little bit more expensive, but their foundation is amazing. And I swear I use that way longer than I should have. It's like their 12-hour long day wear, and I love it. So it looks like it's a lipstick or a lip gloss. Maybe I should read the box. Oh, Stay All Day Shimmer Liquid Lipstick. So that is really exciting, and it looks like we got the color Patina Shimmer. It's very pretty. Ooh, okay, so it goes on really good. There does have a shimmer to it, but it's very, almost like a pinky mauve color. I really like it. I feel like that would be a really good color for fall. It looks like that was $22. So all in all, I will add everything up and put it somewhere right here for y'all. I definitely got what I paid for the box. I believe I paid around that $40 to $50 range. I'll definitely let you guys know for sure. I definitely got the value out of the box, but a little disappointing with the curling iron, just because I have one already and it's just not my thing. And then a little disappointed about the palette. I feel like every box is not just a Tarte palette, but another palette. I mean, let me know what you guys think. I still am very happy. If anything, I'm still very happy just for the Dr. Brandt product, the Tidal Enzyme Water Cream, and even the Spongelles. I mean, for that itself, paid what I paid for the box. So let me know what you guys think. Did you guys really like your box? I feel like compared to last time, it was a little bit of a, you know, iffy. I mean, not bad, but not great. So let me know what you think. Everyone have a fantastic and amazing day. I hope you enjoyed this video. I should have some more coming soon. And good night.